Stretch marks, what really works and what doesn't. If stretch marks are ruining your bikini body, hopefully this will help. First of all, stretch marks are notoriously difficult to treat. They're not like regular scars. Most scars have scar tissue in them, but with stretch marks, the layer of skin is literally stretched out. So what you're dealing with is stretched out, thinning collagen. There also may be a pigmented component to your stretch marks. Sometimes they're brown, sometimes they're purple or reddish. Usually over time that fades and turns to more silvery white, not always. So how can you prevent them? Creams, magic potions and lotions, vitamin C, vitamin E, lots of over-the-counter stuff and stuff that can be bought online. They tend to be pretty expensive and they're not going to do anything. If it's cheap and it makes you feel better and it's a nice massage, then do it, but don't waste your money. Whether you get stretch marks or not is largely due to uncontrollable factors, mostly genetics. Also, how much weight gain or muscle gain or stretching there is of the tissue and over how short of a period of time greatly affects it. There's just not much that you can control. The good news is that there are things that you can do. If you've just had a baby, for example, much of those stretch marks are going to improve. They're going to get better over time. How much will they improve? That's the big unknown. So what can you do? Products are not going to do much good, especially over the counter. Prescription strength may help a little bit, especially if they have retinol or maybe glycolic acid. Those things will help increase skin cell turnover and increase production of collagen, but you're not going to get a big difference with that. Facials are not really going to do anything. Even the famous hydrofacial is not going to do anything for stretch marks. Peels, yes, peels will help some because they have high concentrations of really active skincare ingredients, much higher than you can buy over the counter. So professional strength peels on your body, yes, will help. Microneedling and skin pins, those claim to work for scars, including stretch marks, but really the depth of the needles is so shallow that it's not going to get to the level where it's going to increase collagen and elastin production. So microneedling, skin pin, not so much. You probably guessed I was going to say this, but the real answer is lasers. Lasers are the best treatment for any kind of scars, especially stretch marks. Lasers are going to get deep enough that they're really going to, of course, break down any scar tissue if you have it and really stimulate collagen production and elastin production. It'll also help with pigment if you have that. So lasers, honestly, are the very, very best answer for you. The sooner you get started, the better, believe it or not. As soon as your skin heals, like if you've had a C-section and you have stretch marks underneath it, as soon as you're healed, the sooner you start on scar treatment, the better it's going to work and the faster it's going to work. So one of the most important things that you need to remember about scar treatment, any kind of scars, is that it's going to take some time. If somebody tells you that they can treat your scar with one treatment, they're not telling the truth. As far as how many treatments you need, that really is going to depend on several things. One is what your expectations are. You're probably not going to completely eliminate the scar so much that you can never see it again, but we can get you really excellent results. The sooner you start and the younger and healthier you are, the more dramatic response you're going to have to each treatment. You're not going to see the results right away because it takes about 90 to 120 days before you really start to see the results of skin rejuvenation and collagen building. Then it's going to be, the process starts immediately as soon as we do the treatment, but it's probably going to be about 3 to 4 months before you really start to see it on your skin. And once you start to see it, it keeps getting better and better and better from there. You will continue to see results from one laser treatment for probably, 6 to 9 months for sure, maybe even a little bit longer after that. So once you get started, it just starts to improve and gets better and better and better. If you would like an estimate, then feel free to give us a call. You can send us a picture, or even better, come in and see us and we can look at the size of it and give you an estimate. We'll also, we treat scars with several different lasers. So if you come in, we can actually figure out which laser is going to work best for your skin and your type of scar. So we would love to help you out. Give us a call, or if not, hopefully this has been some help to you.